This study is about the design approaches for reducing viewers' discomfort with distressing short-form videos. The growing popularity of short-form videos has led to an abundance of unsupervised content, which inevitably leads to mental stress for viewers. Thus, our study aims to develop design solutions to alleviate this discomfort. Specifically, we aim to answer two research questions. First, how do users define, perceive, and respond to distressing short-form videos? And second, what would be the design approaches to reducing users' discomfort with distressing short-form videos? To investigate RQ1, we conducted semi-structured interviews on 17 short-form intense users. We analyzed the interview with thematic analysis. Findings of RQ1 revealed that participants categorized and reacted differently to socially inappropriate and personally distressing videos, facing distinct challenges. This distinction underscores the necessity for platforms to not only address content that violates social norms, but also to accommodate individual user sensitivities. Addressing socially inappropriate content, a significant issue was the lack of transparency in the reporting process, leaving participants uncertain about the functioning of the report feature. Addressing personally discomforting videos, participants struggled to correct their creation algorithm precisely to avoid further recommendation of the specific topic. They also expressed dissatisfaction with the post-exposure nature of feedback. Through thematic analysis, we found 3 design features to address these challenges and adopted them to 3 design ideas accordingly. To evaluate if the solutions could effectively mitigate the current issue, we conducted a follow-up interview with 15 of the first interview participants. They assessed the effectiveness and limitations of the design solutions through the interview and a survey. The first design approach is the report tracker, which informs the users the status of the report they made. The personalized discomfort filter addresses the feature allowing users to specifically select discomforting elements for the curation algorithm. The short-form video playlist allows users to pre-screen and modify the recommended cues of videos before exposure. Participants responded positively to these features, highlighting their potential to enhance user trust and control. However, some negatively evaluated the designs for compromising the effortlessness of short-form viewing experience. There was also a concern that pre-checking of the videos might reduce the pleasure of unexpected surprises on viewing experience. These concerns point out a fundamental conflict in designing for content platforms. Expansion of user agency and controllability to help them avoid distress might fundamentally compromise the intrinsic motivation of short-form viewing experience, which is enjoyment and convenience. Our study offers implication by focusing on users' perception and responses to distressing videos, particularly regarding the personal aspect of discomfort. However, further studies are necessary considering the user's motivation other than safety. We hope our findings offer valuable insights for studies on short-form content, especially focusing on the topic of digital well-being.